Hello friends, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to talk about some questions or MCQ questions or MCQ questions on parallel resonance circuit. Few questions I am discussing because it is a very they are not asking any questions on the gate examination, just only for some facing some competitive examination I am discussing. Okay, so this is the question number one. In order to tune a parallel resonant circuit to a lower frequency, the capacitance must be. We know if you draw FAR anti resonant frequency FAR होता है 1/2 pi root LC under root of 1 minus 1 by Q square. Neglected. This is neglected. Suppose so 1/2 pi root LC. So in order to tune a parallel resonance circuit to a lower frequency, if you want to reduce this, you have to increase either L or C or both. The capacitance must be increased. Either L increase or C increase. अगर आपको इसको कम करना है तो A. Answer 1 का A is correct, right? Okay. Question number 2. To tune a parallel resonance circuit to a higher frequency, the inductance should be FAR and FAR equal to क्या होता है 1/2 pi रूट एल सी. अगर इसको आपको हायर फ्रीक्वेंसी पे ले जाना है, इंक्रीज इट, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? दिस शुड बी डिक्रीज इंडक्टेंस, राइट ना? इंडक्टेंस कम करो या सी कम करो तभी ये बढ़ेगा, तो डिक्रीज 2 का बी. ओके ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. A parallel resonant circuit can be employed. Question number 3. Parallel resonant circuit can be employed as a high impedance. Yes, we know I equal to what? V by Z. Dynamic. और हमको मालूम है रेजोनेंट कंडीशन, अंडर द रेजोनेंट कंडीशन करंट शुड बी लो. करंट कम होगा, मिनिमम होगा, तो Z विल बी मैक्सिमम. That is also correct. To amplify the certain frequency, no. So D is correct. D answer is correct. 3 का D is correct, right? Both are correct. So 3 का D is correct. A and B, right? Question number 4. A series as well as parallel resonance circuit increase in resistance would cause increase in bandwidth. Yes, bandwidth F2 equal to F2 minus F1 equal to क्या होता है? R/2 pi L. Increase in resistance would cause, resistance बढ़ेगा तो bandwidth will increase, right? Of both the circuit. क्योंकि in case of okay, this is for what? For series circuit, and for parallel circuit is what? Parallel circuit में क्या होता है? Bandwidth equal to what? For parallel circuit, bandwidth equal to 2 FAR upon Q equal to 2 FAR upon Q equal to होता है 1 upon R root L by C. So ये आएगा bandwidth equal to what? R into 2 FAR upon root L by C. So if you increase the R, bandwidth will also be increased. So in both the cases, if you increase the R, bandwidth will increase in both the cases, right? A answer is correct. A answer is correct. Question number 5. Question number 5. Quality factor of a parallel resonant circuit is, quality factor of a parallel resonant circuit is 1/2 pi FR upon bandwidth 2. Yes, this is the correct answer. B is correct answer. Okay, if you read the books, it is given 2 pi into maximum energy stored upon energy dissipated per cycle. So B is correct, right? Question number 5. Question number 6. The dynamic resistance of the parallel circuit L by CR. Z dynamic equal to what? L by C into R. L by C into R. This D is correct. Question number 6 ka D is correct. Okay. Question number 7. The power factor at resonance in RLC parallel circuit is unity, right? D is correct. Power factor at series RLC हो या parallel RLC, it is unity. Okay, question number 8. What will be the nature of impedance at a frequency below the anti-resonant frequency? Nature of impedance at a frequency below the anti-resonant frequency is inductive. B is correct. In RLC series में series अगर है so below it is capacitive. In RLC parallel ये उल्टा होता है, it is inductive. Okay, so it is inductive circuit. Next, clear ना ये कैसे inductive होगा? Is it clear? Because we know particular frequency. Sorry, if you want you can clear it. That is V, that is I, that is IL cos phi L. This is IL sin phi L, or this is IC. Now, if the what will be the nature of impedance at lower? If frequency is कम है, so क्या होगा? XL will be less. So this RL circuit में if R plus JXL है, if this is less, so obviously this will be here. This will be here. Clear? Both voltage clear na? So this component is less. Okay. Question number 9. When resonant frequency for an RLC circuit is given by 1 by 2 pi root LC, the essential condition is that for resonant frequency का formula है 1 by 2 pi root LC, the essential condition is the inductance must be non-resistive. Correct है? Inductance must be non-resistive, right? A answer. Capacitance must be non-leaky. That is also correct. Capacitor must be non-leaky. Current is minimum at resonance. That is also correct. So that answer is D is correct. All of above. Okay. So question number 9 ka D. A parallel circuit is said to be in resonance when the admittance is purely under the resonance condition. Admittance should be impedance क्या होना चाहिए? Purely impedance Z equal to purely resistive. So admittance Y equal to क्या होगा? 1 upon R, that is conductive. So it is conductive. D answer is correct. That is conductive, right? Question number 11. What would be the value of impedance of a parallel resonance circuit at anti-resonance condition? Resistive होना चाहिए. It should be resistive and maximum. It should be maximum. Resistive होना चाहिए. It should be maximum. So current will be minimum. That is the answer. A is correct. Okay. So I am discussing only 11 questions here. Okay. And I am assuming this is over. So I am stopping here. Thank you. These are the answer sheets we have given. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you. Now, this part I am assuming it is over. In future, I will develop few more lectures clear, on the some MCQs, some gate questions, some important questions, whatever we will get in future, clear, some important formulas. Now I had developed till date that I had developed the 75 lectures on basic electrical engineering. So this is for your clearing your concept. I had developed uh, 3 sets or 3 presentation on each chapter on the MCQ questions for GATE examination and some part facing some competitive examinations also. Here also in network I have developed around 77 or 78 lectures. Okay. Now in future I am going to develop YouTube lectures on electrical machines, as well as I am going to develop YouTube lectures on control system. Okay, so these 2 subjects I will cover, and in future we will try to discuss few more subjects I will take, but in recently I am going to develop machines, YouTube lectures on machines and control system. So I hope you will enjoy that lectures also on machines and control system. Okay, thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.